Assalamualaikum. Hello ladies and gentlemen who are watching our video now. Here we are going to talk about one of financial institution in Malaysia. Everyone must know right about BSN, isn't it? We can call it as Bank Simpanan Nasional. Of course, most of you guys know about this bank, especially for the student that need to buy UPU pins for an application for university. It is one of the most famous bank in Malaysia. To let you guys know that BSN got 17 ranking among all the banks in Malaysia. This shows that BSN is one of the most influential bank in Malaysia. Mostly, this bank used by students for their scholarships as well as used to purchase unique UPU pins and provide financial assistance. Not only that, it is important for the students, the locals out there also use this bank to make savings for the future. Other than that, this bank also provides easy and fast online banking services for the users, and it will make more easier for them. Then, do you know about BSN history background? Let me tell you guys that on 1st December 1974, the Ministry of Finance established Bank Simpanan Nasional. Since its founding, it has assumed all of the post office service bank roles and obligations. The mission of Bank Simpanan Nasional is to encourage Malaysians to save, invest and manage their money wisely in order to improve their quality of life. Then, in 1981, BSN experienced a growth of 78% and 1-3% of accumulated assets and depositors, which consisted of 1.2 billion and 4.3 million respectively. Also in 2012, BSN key initiatives under its corporate strategic plan (CSP) was the agent banking model was introduced to strengthen its community outreach. The EB model by BSN was the first of its kind of Malaysia and worked through a network of agents without the need to set up physical branch infrastructure to serve those living in remote and rural areas. Then, in 2014, the number of appointed agents reached beyond the target set by government. As of December 2020, the bank had over 9 million customers in Malaysia, with retail deposit totaling 17.81 billion. BSN mandate to encourage saving habit among communities, particularly the young generation, is constantly enhanced from time to time. This can be seen in 2021 that the enhancement of saving products such as BSN Simpanan Premium and more than 54 million in total prizes offered only. For the benefit of its consumers, BSN is constantly improving its services and increasing its product line.
So now let's move to the total branches and total staff in this BSN. And for the total branches, there's 38 financial micro centers, 390 branches nationwide, and the total branches is 428. So let's move to the BSN employees that have in this BSN bank. So there's 7,400 employees only for this BSN. Now for the financial report that we're taking from the website of BSN, we are taking from 2019 and 2020. As we can see, this 2019 there's a 35,301,251, and for the 2020 there's a 40,488,227. So in this total of 6,186,973 is the profit difference between 2019 and also 2020. Now I know you guys are wondering what is the BSN doing for the business. So for the first one is BSN is accepting deposit such as ATM, CDM, Gyro, basic saving, term deposit, saving schemes, and current account and other similar account. Next, BSN is also paying or collecting checks such as bill payment, paying check through BSN counter, debit and credit card deals, credit card futures. For the next one is the provision of finance. This provide a loan regarding property loan, personal loan, SCB loan, vehicle loan, and also provide loan for the business such as Teman Mesra, BSN Teman Niaga, and also Pemerkasa. And for the other business, BSN is providing insurance, wealth management, and other businesses as prescribed by the Ministry of Finance on the recommendation of Bank Negara Malaysia.
Alright, let's moving on to the difference between Islamic and conventional Bank Simpanan Nasional. Firstly, Islamic Bank Simpanan Nasional consists of 4 types, which is Tawarruk, Ujrah, Mudarabah, and Qard. Tawarruk are an Islamic housing financing, Islamic personal financing, Islamic micro business financing, Islamic fixed deposit, special edition premium savings certificate, Islamic savings account, and e-current. Moreover, Ujrah is an Islamic credit card and Mudarabah is premium savings certificate. Lastly, card is an Islamic savings account. As we all know, when we say conventional, it's a repayment assistance which is moratorium or financing refund. It is consists of BSN Giro, BSN Agent Bank Berdaftar EBB, BSN Basic Savings, BSN Giro Corporate, and BSN Cards. In an organization, there must be a vision and mission of that company. What are the vision and mission of Bank Simpanan Nasional? Alright, I tell you. The vision of Bank Simpanan Nasional is no Malaysian are left behind. And to achieve the vision, Bank Simpanan Nasional have missions to complete the vision, which is no Malaysian left behind. Bank Simpanan Nasional mission is to build lifelong and meaningful relationships with their customers to ensure they continue to access a better life by providing the means for savings and investments by the general public with a comprehensive range of banking services, along with promoting and mobilizing savings, particularly from small savers. Next, inculcating the habit of thrift and savings, and finally, utilizing the funds of the bank for investment, including financing of economic development of the nation.
Now, let me share with you guys between the awards won by BSN. In 2019, BSN has been awarded highest payment volume growth for consumer debit from Visa Malaysia. Was presented by Mr. Ahmad, the Visa Country Manager of Malaysia, to BSN Chief Business Officer James Mujibur Rahman Abdul Rashid at the BSN headquarters in Kuala Lumpur. In the same year, BSN also won an award for the category Best Islamic Activity Card by Mastercard Malaysia. In 2020, BSN received an award which is Top FI Partner 2019 for Small and Medium Enterprise category. It was extended by YB Senator Tengku Datuk Seri Zafrul Tengku Abdul Aziz, Minister of Finance at the Royal Julan Hotel, Kuala Lumpur. With this award and recognition, BSN will constantly provide the best comprehensive financial solution to its customer and make people believe that BSN are among the best banking institutions in Malaysia. Next, we may proceed with the corporate structure. So, let's start with the Chief Executive Officer, or as known as CEO J. Khairil Jeremy. He was appointed by BSN as the CEO on February 2021, replacing Dato' Yunus Abdul Ghani, who is retired. He has more than 20 years of banking experience, and BSN Board of Directors confident that he can lead BSN to its next phase of growth. He also assists with other chief officers, which are Chief Business Officer, Chief Operating Officer, and Chief Financial Officer. Like other companies, BSN corporate structure has its department which perform the specialized roles. Their strong commitment and leadership play a key role in delivering the government mandates, as well as to ensure that BSN stay competitive in Malaysia banking industry.
Okay, let's move on with products offered by Bank Simpanan Nasional. One of the products offered by Bank Simpanan Nasional is BSN RM Executive Personal Financing. This personal loan is a 100% Sharia compliant Islamic financing with a tawarruk concept that combines Ba'i Murabaha and Wakalah contract, and it is also an unsecured personal loan. The benefits that you can get from this product are, it is Sharia compliant Islamic loan, and it also flexible with high amount of financing period. On the other hand, the total funding up into 10 times of gross salary with flexible financing period. The reason why you need to choose this product are, it is exclusively designed to help meet your loan financing needs at affordable rates, and it is also one of the best personal loan and always used mainly by government employees. The second product offered by Bank Simpanan Nasional is Visa Click to Pay. Visa Click to Pay is a Visa's online checkout experience based on the latest e-commerce industry specification from EMV Secure Remote Commerce. The benefits that you can get from this product are, it is very simple to use and it is absolutely fast and secure. The reason why you need to choose this product are, you can enter your credit card information for once and you can use it every time you want to buy online. Also, you can save a significant amount of time that complete many of your online transactions. At the end of this video, we must know the banking business and financial system more widely to ensure that we understand the meaning and the function. And also, definitely we are more focused on conventional and Islamic bank, which is Bank Simpanan Nasional that offers many services.